How to download and add music in Lark Player. So if you want to download and add music in Lark Player, then what you need to do is just watch this video. While the app is excellent for organizing music, it's important to note that it does not download songs from the internet. It only displays tracks that are already saved on your device. To use the app, you need to add MP3 files from trusted sources, which will then appear automatically in your Lark Player. To get started, you can open up your Google Play Store and then search for Lark Player and then install the application. Once it's installed, you can open the application and then you will have all of your songs like your playlist, your folders, the artists, albums. You can easily organize them for your easy access. Lark Player is a free music and video player for Android and iOS, letting you play local files at no cost. The only paid option is an optional premium subscription available monthly or yearly, which removes ads for a completely uninterrupted experience. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.